Welcome, and thanks so much for taking the time to watch my video. As in all the videos in Tarot My Way series, this video may have a bit of a different perspective than some of the other tarot enthusiasts. The individual tarot cards of the major arcana are considered and referred to as keys. This is because each particular card can unlock a specific hidden mystery. I will share a master key that will open the door to aha moments for you. This master key is protected by a surprising deity, the triple goddess. In this video, I will prepare you to journey into the realm of the triple goddess that you may be ready and prepared to use the master key once you find it. I'm Pandora, and I just wanted to introduce myself. I was born to be an earth mystic, pagan, cosmic witch, and a bit of a rebel. So that's who I am. Now, why do I do this? I want to share something personal with you. In my life path, I hit a rough patch and battled alcohol and drug addiction. Through my pagan path and an anonymous 12-step program, I have been sober and clean for many, many decades. I now lead a life I never thought I could have in my wildest dreams. Yet, in January 2021, I contracted COVID. Being a high-risk host, it nearly took my life. It certainly gave me a wake-up call. All who know me know I live pretty much off the grid. So when deity called me to share the content of my magical books and my tarot system, I thought I had lost my mind. Yet, here I am. I hope this will be my legacy to those who care to view my musings. But keep in mind, the methods I use may be a bit unconventional, if not downright controversial. So, I hope you will hear me out. Take what you can use and just leave the rest. How about hopping on the back of my broom and let's take a journey to one of my secret places. Okay, so glad you're here. Have a seat, something to drink. I've got myself pretty comfy, so I want you to be comfy. Before I share the master key and the deity with you, I'd like to brush quickly on the principles I'm always harping about in my videos. All humans will graduate from Earth School at the time of their death. The soul will ascend to another realm at the time of its human's death. Given that collection of thoughts, let's go on and pursue this magical key. It is none other than the magical moon that holds a key that unlocks feminine energy. Since I am a female human and the moon represents feminine energy, imagine a human in charge of the flow of ocean currents and tides. Oh my goodness. Let me introduce you to one of my very special deities. She represents the cycles and energies of the moon. I've come to develop a strong feminine allegiance and attachment to her. She represents the stages human females experience here in Earth School. These stages are the Maiden, the Mother, and the Crone. Together, the three are known collectively as the Triple Goddess. In the Western culture, we can see some of the celebrations of these rites of passage. One that comes to mind for the Maiden rite of passage is the quinceañera. Also is the name given to the coming of age celebration on a girl's 15th birthday. But I think it's a fabulous rite of passage. It's a demarcation of an expectation and a transformation. The mother rite of passage that is quite common is your everyday celebration when a baby shower is given. Of course, the person is pregnant and receiving all these gifts of the little baby that's being formed within. Then there's my personal rite of passage, the Crone. Who the heck celebrates menopause? Is there a party for that? OMG. Well, yes, there is. In the triple goddess tradition, the crone is the keeper of wisdom and passes the dignity to the maiden and the mother. As it so happens, I have dedicated the understanding of tarot my way major arcana cards to the 3 paths of the triple goddess. Let's take a look at these 3 paths. The first path, the maiden's journey, is depicted by major arcana cards, the keys 1 through 9. These are the magician through the hermit. This is a path of discovery and developing the self. Humans during this time learn lessons about authority figures, rules of human society, emotional and physical intimacy. This is the formation of dreams, only to discover they may clash with reality. The next and second path, the mother's journey, is depicted by major arcana cards, the keys 10 through 18. This is the wheel through the moon. This is a path of nurturing and maturing through trials, tribulations, and tests. Humans during this time learn lessons about who they are not. They develop and define their beliefs and values, which will in turn perpetuate their worldview of the human race. Let's call this the creative and birthing principles. In the final and third path, the Crone's journey, this is depicted by the major arcana cards, the keys 19 through 21, the sun through the world. With the realization of the coming of an end in life cycle, a look-back period begins. It is a time of reaping what has been sown. If by this time the human hasn't developed or acknowledged the infinite soul that lies within, there will be more sowing required and less reaping will result. In some cases, where a human has become enlightened, spiritual experiences and awakenings will happen, and their fellow humans will be absolutely amazed about the miracles they see. These transformative life cycles are unique to the humans here in Earth School. Every single human experiences these life cycles in the different areas of their lives, as well as in the different roles they play in that life. Given these cycles, I hope I have prepared you to receive the promise I made at the beginning of this video, to share the one master key that will open all others. So here it is, that what you've been waiting for. Acceptance is the key. Acceptance is the key to all of my problems today. When I am disturbed, it is because I find some person, place, thing, or situation, some fact of my life unacceptable to me, and I can find no serenity until I accept that person, place, thing, or situation as being exactly the way it is supposed to be at this moment. Nothing, absolutely nothing, happens in God's and Goddesses' world by mistake. Until I could accept my, and then substitute your problem, I could not stay and substitute your solution. Unless I accept my life completely on life's terms, I cannot be happy. I need to concentrate not so much on what needs to be changed in the world as on what needs to be changed in me and in my attitudes. And so, my friends, it is through Tarot My Way that will help you identify what needs to be changed and what attitudes need to be addressed. This is the journey of Tarot My Way. Uh-oh. It looks as if our time together with Tarot My Way is coming to an end. So don't miss a single video I've made because you make it so exciting to share my adventures with you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. So long!